Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today, we're going to talk about investing in the stock market for beginners. I know some of you may be thinking, investing? Isn't that just for rich people? But the truth is, anyone can invest in the stock market regardless of their income level. And I'm here to show you how. Section 1, Understanding Risk and Reward. Before we dive into the nitty-gritty of investing, let's talk about risk and reward. When you invest in the stock market, there's always a risk that you could lose some or all of your money. But there's also the potential for big rewards. I'll explain what I mean by risk and reward and how to think about them when investing. Section 2, Setting Financial Goals. Before you start investing, you need to know what you're investing for. Are you saving for retirement? A down payment on a house? A big purchase? I'll walk you through how to set clear financial goals and why they're important. Section 3, Choosing a brokerage account. Now it's time to choose a brokerage account. I'll explain the different types of accounts and how to pick a reputable online brokerage firm. Section 4, Understanding stock types. Let's talk about stocks. I'll explain the difference between common stock, preferred stock, and ETFs. And I'll show you how to evaluate stocks based on factors like financial health, industry trends, and competitive advantage. Section 5, Building a diversified portfolio. Diversification is key when it comes to investing. I'll show you how to build a portfolio that includes a mix of stocks, bonds, and other assets. Section 6, Investing Strategies. Now that we've covered the basics, let's talk about some investing strategies. I'll cover two popular strategies: dollar cost averaging and value investing. Dollar cost averaging. Dollar cost averaging is a strategy that involves investing a fixed amount of money at regular intervals, regardless of the market's performance. I'll explain how this strategy can help you smooth out market volatility and avoid trying to time the market. Value investing. Value investing is a strategy that involves looking for stocks that are undervalued by the market. I'll explain how to identify value stocks and why this strategy can be a powerful way to build long-term wealth. And that's it. I hope this video has given you a solid understanding of how to invest in the stock market for beginners. Remember, investing is a long-term game and it's important to be patient and disciplined. Don't be afraid to ask questions or seek out additional resources as you continue on your investing journey. Advanced investing topics. Options trading. Options trading involves buying and selling contracts that give the holder the right to buy or sell a security at a specified price. I'll explain the basics of options trading and how it can be used to hedge against risk or speculate on price movements. Technical analysis. Technical analysis involves studying charts and patterns to identify trends and predict future price movements. I'll explain the basics of technical analysis and how it can be used to inform investment decisions. Section 8, Investing in Specific Industries. Healthcare investing. Healthcare is a growing industry with many investment opportunities. I'll explain the trends and drivers in healthcare investing and how to identify promising stocks and companies. Tech investing. Tech is another growing industry with many investment opportunities. I'll explain the trends and drivers in tech investing and how to identify promising stocks and companies. And that's it! I hope this video has given you a comprehensive understanding of investing in the stock market for beginners. Remember, investing is a journey, and it's important to be patient, disciplined, and informed. Don't be afraid to ask questions or seek out additional resources as you continue on your investing journey. Section 9, Investing in Real Estate. Real estate investing basics. I'll explain the basics of real estate investing, including the different types of properties and investment strategies. Rental properties. I'll cover the ins and outs of investing in rental properties, including how to find and finance properties and how to manage tenants. Section 10, Cryptocurrency and Alternative Investments. Cryptocurrency basics. I'll explain the basics of cryptocurrency, including what it is, how it works, and the different types of cryptocurrencies. Alternative investments. I'll cover alternative investments such as gold, silver, and other precious metals, as well as art and collectibles. And that's it. I hope this video has given you a comprehensive understanding of investing in the stock market for beginners. Remember, investing is a journey, and it's important to be patient, disciplined, and informed. Don't be afraid to ask questions or seek out additional resources as you continue on your investing journey. Section 11. Investing in a Sustainable Future. Impact Investing. I'll explain the concept of impact investing and how it can help address environmental and social issues while generating returns. ESG Investing. I'll cover the basics of ESG, environmental, social, and governance investing, and how it can help investors align their values with their investment decisions. Section 12. Investing in a Tax-Efficient Manner. Tax Loss Harvesting. I'll explain the concept of tax loss harvesting and how it can help investors offset capital gains taxes. Tax-Deferred Investing. I'll cover the basics of tax-deferred investing and how it can help investors save for retirement and other long-term goals. Section 13. Investing in a Responsible Manner. Socially Responsible Investing. I'll explain the concept of socially responsible investing and how it can help investors align their values with their investment decisions. Environmental, social, and governance (ESG) factors. I'll cover the basics of ESG factors and how they can be used to evaluate companies and make informed investment decisions. Section 14. Investing in a Diversified Manner. Diversification Strategies. I'll explain the importance of diversification and provide strategies for diversifying a portfolio. Asset Allocation. I'll cover the basics of asset allocation and how it can be used to manage risk and maximize returns. And that's it. I hope this video has given you a comprehensive understanding of investing in the stock market for beginners. Remember, investing is a journey, and it's important to be patient, disciplined, and informed. Don't be afraid to ask questions or seek out additional resources as you continue on your investing journey. Thanks for watching. Let me know if you'd like me to make any changes or if you have any specific questions.